The Edifier NeoBuds Pro. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. These are the NeoBuds Pro by Edifier. I will go over specs, features, provide music and microphone samples, then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you're new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside it comes with a user guide, USB-C charging cable, and an assortment of ear tips and a storage bag. The earbuds feature 6 hours of listening time, 24 hours with the case. Uses Bluetooth 5.0, AAC, SBC, LHDC, and LDAC. ANC and an ambient feature along with app integration. Low latency game mode and EQ settings. Touch controls, USB-C for charging, and it's IP54 dust and water resistant. Taking a look at the case, it has a clamshell compact design. Matte finish all around with a brushed stainless finish on the top, and it also has the branding. The front has a status LED lights, and on the back is a USB-C charge port. The lid opens and closes smoothly, and the earbuds are easy to grip and remove from the case. Ear indicators are etched in inside, and you have the pairing button in the middle. The earbuds have a short, flat stem design. The inside face has a matte finish just like the case, and the ear markings are in the middle. The outer face has the logo along with the touch control on the top. Each of the earbuds have interchangeable ear tips, charging contacts, microphones, and touch control. Here they are side by side. Navigating playback, calls, and ANC is straightforward. A few taps to get the desired function. This has app integration. Once connected, you can see the battery status, toggle ANC ambient modes, select from EQ presets, or customize your own. You can also change the tap control assignments. The case comes in at 2.6 by 2.1 by 1.2 inches. It weighs in at 46 grams, and the earbuds come in at 11 grams. Now for some music samples. This will give you a sense on how they sound like. It is not a full representation of the overall sounds, as there's no replacements for actually having them on. It will then be followed by a microphone sample.
You only call me on the weekends when you're out and about, only chasing highs. You need me. He brings me flowers on a Tuesday. He gives me good loving, something that I never thought existed. I know what I need, ain't gonna lie. I know what I want, speaking my mind now. A queen needs a king to be by her side.
I wake up, flex, thumb down now, check, no drip, this, wet, tell her run it up, no sleep, no rest, might crash, might wreck, but first I stretch, tell her run it up, I wake up, flex, thumb down now, check, no drip, this, wet, tell her run it up, no sleep, no rest, might crash, might wreck, but first I stretch, tell her run it up, 9 out of 10, roll through my hands, I'm by my lonely.
Now for a microphone sample in a noisy setting. This is a test of the Edifier NeoBuds Pro microphone. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. The microphone came in loud and clear during calls, and other parties had no issues hearing me. The pairing process was instant, and when testing video on an iOS device, there was no noticeable latency. Range was stable as I tested in a 1400 square feet setting. Here are my thoughts on the earbuds. They seated well in my ears and I didn't feel excessive pressure in my ear canals. They felt secure and the touch controls don't add pressure when navigating. Build-in quality is solid. The case and earbuds feel durable. Touch controls responded well and were not overly sensitive. Battery life is respectable at 6 hours and 24 with the case. I like the app integration, but I would have liked to have seen wireless charging. The ANC feature canceled the surroundings well and in line with earbuds that I have tested with this feature. The ambient sound when activated picked up the surroundings loud and clear. When it comes to sound, starting off with the bass, it comes in pronounced, deep and punchy, and definitely not lacking. Mids and highs come in clean and clear and there's good separation. Vocals and instruments do stand out, and you can also customize the EQ settings to tailor your listening preference. Overall, I found the earbuds to be solid. The sounds deliver along with the ANC and ambient feature. So that is my review of the Edifier NeoBuds Pro True Wireless Earbuds. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.